So I'll just run through a bit of what we've done regarding fitting the WK shifter. Obviously we removed all the centre console, quite straightforward. Got the old cradle out, fitted the shifter in, just testing it here, make sure everything, all the gears were located properly, and they were. Then the tricky bit, so we've got a 5-speed console. If it was 6-speed it would go straight in, so we're just fitting it here and just measuring up whereabouts it's going to need cutting. Obviously if it goes bad then that's not a problem, we'd just get a 6-speed one, but they were such a long wait, I thought we'd give it a go on the 5-speed. The idea was to try and keep the silver bezel, as much of it as we could anyway, to give it more of an OE look without the gator. You can see there's doesn't need a lot. What we did do, I don't know if you can see in there, but where there was all the fabric inside, it was sort of like a greeny colour. We put some black carpeting around there to darken it all up. And here you can see that's all been cut. And just putting everything into place. Just making sure that it's a nice fit and it doesn't catch on anything. Haven't put all the clips in at the moment, but there you go. Really nice shifter, I've got to say. Very good fit there. Kev at East Anglia Car Audio Performance, he made an absolutely fantastic job of doing the cutting and fitting it in. There we go. I've decided to keep it a little bit as low as I can possibly get it, so I've took I think it's a 30mm red spacer that goes just underneath the shift knob at the top. I took that off because I did feel that was a little bit high for me. Other people, you might find it that you prefer it there, but that's where I'm going to have it for the moment. I'm going to try it there and see how I get on with it, but it feels amazing. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video, and see you on another one. Cheers.